Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Thai Wanderer. So, this weekend I'm in Hua Hin. Hua Hin is just sort of a beach town to the west of Bangkok, about roughly 2.5 to 3 hours comfortable drive from Bangkok. It's a nice area, beach area, family beach area with nice, quiet beaches, a few hotels, few nice hotels, but overall a very small beach town. And today we have driven from the condo that I'm staying in to a place called Memory Cafe. Really nice, cool place. If you have anything to do, if you're in Hua Hin and you sort of have a free afternoon, I think try to drop by. It's a place to bring a family, I think, more for family and kids. Or if you want to take some nice pics, definitely a place whereby you can come, have some nice cafe, coffee drinks, tea drinks, bubble tea. They've got really nice, as you will see later, nice bubble tea. And there's a lot of corners, scenic angles, scenic, I think, sceneries and trees to really take a nice picture together. This place kind of reminds me of that book, The Lorax, of the Truffula trees. That's why I named the title, Truffula trees. They have these, of course, probably not real. These colors aren't artificial colors, but they've organized this field, as you can see. These sort of nice bushes of different colors colors from the rainbow: pink, purple, blue, yellow, and really nice for photo moments, I think, to come and just relax. Of course, not a place to spend the whole day. I think come for like an hour. It's good. If you want to have some nice, again, cakes and desserts and drinks, drop by, take some nice photos, take some memories. And if you have kids, there's actually also a merry-go-round, which is quite nice. Nothing too big, nothing too scary. Perfect for little kids. And yeah, now I'm just sort of strolling through these, I don't know what you call them, truffula tree bushes of different colors. And it's a pretty quiet day, not too many people. But yeah, you see all the vivid colors. You can pick which angle you want or which area you want to take pictures. It's a really nice place. So yeah, I'll let you guys have a look for a bit. All right. It's nice, huh? Yeah, pretty nice, pretty cool. This is the merry-go-round I was telling you guys about. I think you pay something like per round, something really cheap, I think. 40, 50 baht, like $1 or something, to go merry-go-round. You can even go on it a few times. Parents, of course, can sit with their kids on the merry-go-round. And yeah, what I love about this is right next to this lake, which is, at the dam. I think it's the dam, pretty much the dam. Beautiful lake. You've got a little bit of mountains. Really, just really quiet. You want to sort of, of course, if you're in the beach, you want to get away from the city, and if you want to get away from sort of the busy life of a beach city, you can come here and it's really quiet, really chill. So yeah, you can see it's not too big. It's not too big. So again, an hour tops to this place is good. And you'll see in a bit, they've got also other smaller workshop activities. If you have kids, around 4 or 5 year olds, 6, 7 year olds, They have a few workshops, art workshops, where you can paint T-shirts, paint tapestries, do sort of mini arts and craft to sort of kind of give activities for the kids as well. A lot of kids probably don't want to just take boring pictures. They can come here, you can get your pictures, and then kids can do some arts and craft as souvenirs that you'll see in a bit. But yeah, this is the view. This is a very nice view. These are all, I believe, private properties, so you don't have any sort of busy hotels and a lot. Definitely not a lot of tourists around this area. Here we are at the arts and crafts zone. So my daughter is doing this hippo tapestry, something that's pretty nice, pretty simple, really fun, I think, for kids. I think there's about 3 or 4 different activities kids can do. There's painting this teddy bear. There's other sort of type of paintings as well. Okay, so once you've got your pictures, you can mosey back into the cafe. A variety of tea drinks, coffee. Yeah, it's really cute, all the little toppings and stuff like that. But yeah, we ordered the drink. Now let's go see the merry-go-round. Ready? Here we go. Chào bà ngoái, chào bà ngoái. Sao mất cái nắng đảo, sao mất cái nắng đảo. Wow. Okay. Okay, okay ba? Okay ba? Ooh, yes. Merry-go-round. Say hi, Summer. Say hi. Is it fun? Is it fun? All right. The view. Okay, and our drinks are ready. You see how colorful the drinks are? So nice, so colorful. They've got milk tea, Italian sodas, variety of jelly toppings. I mean, what more can you ask for your kids as well? So again, I'll leave some closing remarks after this. And before I get to the closing remarks, I just want to apologize that I didn't know I had mic issues when I recorded these closing remarks. Okay, so we've got our tea, bubble tea. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty tasty. Looks pretty refreshing. Let's give it a try. That's really nice. Especially when the weather is so hot. Nice, cold, refreshing bubble tea. Nothing beats it. So refreshing. But yeah, anyways, we are again at the Memory Cafe in Brambury, which is really literally Brambury, just on the edge of Brambury, getting into Hua Hin. So if you are in Hua Hin, it's just literally like a five minutes drive from Hua Hin into this place called the Memory Cafe. But yeah, overall, it's pretty relaxing. I mean, it's not the best. Let's be honest. It's not the best, but I think it's a nice time if you're in Hua Hin, and you've got maybe a few hours to spare. You don't really know where to go. You can take a quick drive here, take some nice photos, eat some cakes, have some, nice cool drinks, and then you're off to do the next thing. I think it's a nice little break between the day to just come chill, relax, get some good photos, and if you have a kid, take the kid on the merry-go-round, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. Hope you like this episode of The Thai Wanderer. And again, let me know in the comments where you want me to wander off to next. And again, if you like the video, please do like, share, and help subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you again next time. Bye.